Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming your carrier plan and ensuring enough data because carriers sometimes disable tethering when limits hit. Once done, plug the phone into power or reach at least 50% battery to prevent power-saving triggers. Next, open Settings and enable Mobile Hotspot. Choose 4 GHz for distance or 5 GHz for speed, and set a strong password. Doing these steps immediately reduces automatic shutdown risks and primes the device for the next configuration tweaks. Now focus on system behaviors that turn off the hotspot: battery saver, adaptive battery, and app sleep. Go into battery settings and disable any saver modes. Make sure adaptive battery or app standby isn't throttling the tethering service. Then find the hotspot or tethering entry in apps and allow unrestricted background activity or exempt it from sleeping. If your device has a Keep Hotspot on when screen off option, enable it. These changes prevent the OS from killing the connection to conserve power. Finish by optimizing network and testing stability. If clients lag, switch the hotspot band or change channel to avoid interference. 5 GHz reduces congestion, but 4 GHz reaches farther. Restart the hotspot and each connected device so settings take effect. If disconnections persist, reset network settings to clear corrupt configs or contact your carrier to verify provisioning. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a second device to isolate whether the phone or client.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.